Welcome. Today on an episode of When Your Sister's a Retard, we will be watching her at play. Tug of war, tug of war. Whoa, that's a strong sister. How about we come play with this toy right here? Come on, bring it over here. Good girl, good girl.
You get the fuzzy of your phone.
Now, what about this? Let's play with this one. Come on, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Come on, girl, bring it over here. Pick it up, bring it over here, come on. Pick it up, use your mouth. Let's play with this bone right here. Bring it over here. Come on, you can do it. Come on, girl, good girl, bring it over here. Pick it up with your mouth. With your mouth.
Kelly, pick up be good girl, pick up that one. Now shake it.
Good girl. Wow.
So dance on your hind legs.
No, no, no. That is not yours to play with. That is a bath towel.
Stand on your hind legs and play.
Speak.